I'm going to show you how you can easily change your password in the Outlook mobile app Android. First, navigate to the Outlook app on your phone. Now tap the profile picture in the top left corner to open the side menu. Here, tap the gear icon at the bottom to go to Settings. Scroll down to find and reach the Accounts option. Next, choose the Outlook account for which you want to change the password. After that, select the Remove Account button at the end and then tap Remove. Once removed, hit the Add Account option. Then choose your account to continue. You need to enter your password. If you want to change, tap Forgot Password. Next, enter the code generated by your Authenticator app. After entering the code, tap Next. You can use a different verification option, so choose an option. If you select Email, then tap Get Code. Now navigate to Gmail and copy the code from there. Paste this code to continue changing the password. If you choose the Authenticator option, reach the Authenticator app. Copy the code from this app and paste it into Outlook to continue.